everybody, it's Michelle and I've got a napkin folding video for you guys today. I feel like it's been forever since I did a napkin folding video. This one is really a lot of fun. We're going to be doing a little fish today, but keep your eyes open for some more videos to come along that oceanic theme in the future because I've got a few ideas. So for my fish, I'm using one beverage size napkin, and you can use the larger lunch napkins if you want to, but this orange kind of makes me think of like a little goldfish, and I wanted it to be small. You go ahead and use whatever you want, as well as any color. Whatever color you want your fish to be, just use that napkin. It would be really a lot of fun at a fishy themed party to do fish of all different colors. So the first thing we're going to do is open our napkin completely up. So I'm going to turn my square on the diagonal so it's more like a diamond. And I'm going to fold that upward in half. And then I'm going to turn it this way with my point going toward the right. If you want your fish facing the right, then go ahead and turn it to the left, however you want to do yours. Next thing you want to do is take this tip and just fold it back on itself using these lines here as a guide. And then just crease that down. And now we're going to take our top and our bottom, and we're going to fold this edge to meet with the one we just brought in. So just meet that up right along that edge there and crease it right there. Same thing on the bottom. Just fold that until it meets. And crease it. So now this point here, you want to think of that as the front of your fish's mouth. So we're going to come up with the bottom piece first toward that, and then down from the top. And you'll notice I'm not creasing anything yet because I just want to move it this way and that until I find where those tail fins are now going to line up just the way I want them to. And then when I get that alignment the way I want it, just crease it right there. And now you can leave your fish like that if you want to, but I think it's a little too pointy for my taste, so I just like to take that front tip and bend it under just slightly. See, now I want to make sure to come back up here some to line back up my fins the way I want them. So that's really it. That's your fishy shape. And we need to put a little eye on him. Now, I've seen a lot of people use these googly eyes, and that is really cute. And you could just lay that on there in your table setting. But I think along the lines of, with a theme like this, that there will be a lot of children present, and some of them may be still small enough that they like to put things in their mouths. So that concerns me a little bit, and I want to get rid of that. If you've got older children at your party that you know that's not a concern, then go ahead and use the googly eyes. That's fine too. But I figure if they're going to put things in their mouth, I'm going to make it okay for them to do just that. I'm going to use the candy eyeballs. I'll leave a link to where you guys can get these online if you want to. And I'm just going to lay a little candy eyeball on there. And then if the kids want to put that in their mouth, it's no problem at all. I think this is absolutely adorable. You guys, please tune in for my other ideas that I've got coming. I can't wait to show them to you. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to do that and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when I do upload those or any new video. Give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have the links to all of those in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.